Hello, the Westerham Flyer here. This is Westerham Green on a beautiful sunny afternoon, and 75 years ago was VE Day. And on the green we have the famous man himself, Winston Churchill, Sir Winston Churchill. But hey ho, I'll just have a look at this bike over here. Crikey, it's an old Ducati 750 Sports. Wow, that is old. Anyway, we'll have a look around Churchill, and then I actually have seen the great man when I was a nipper. He drove through Westerham, and I saw him in his long black Rolls Royce sitting in the back with his cigar. Some say England's greatest Englishman. He saved us, he led us through the war, and ended up with victory in Europe, which is VE Day. Actually on the 8th of May 1945. My mother would have been there. I expect my dad was still away in Italy or Austria at the time, fighting for the Royal West Kents. Over the other end of the green we have General Wolfe, who defeated the French in Canada. I think both generals got killed that day, General Wolfe and General Montcalm. Bit of history. We've got some very learned men in Westerham. Prime Ministers, Speakers of the House of Commons, all sorts. And of course that other famous politician, Nigel Farage. There you go. Anyway, we'll leave this green and we'll ride on up, down through Westerham, down through Vicarage Hill and up Hosey Hill, and end up at my school, my old school, my middle school, Hosey Hill School. And I ride onto this rough ground here, and these stones are just the same as 50, 60 years ago I can remember. We played football on them. Oh, they've changed now, but the one on the right was our dinner hall. Just beautiful dinners in there. Anyway, we'll ride out, go up through these trees, down this Maidstone Lane here, round the sharp bend, and on the left is Chartwell, where Sir Winston Churchill lived. This is the Westerham Flyer signing out.